With that strength. Isn't she amazing? Yeah. Yeah. Are you going now? Should we put your book over here so you can go get it again? Yeah. What's that, Tina? Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at you. You're so talented. Yeah. You're looking outside. Is that what's out there? You see a car? Oh yeah, there goes a car. Good eye, Shayna. Yeah? Good job. You got a book? Oh, Shayna got a book. What's in that book? Hmm? You get back up. I love the fingertips. I mean, that's just seriously, that's really pretty good, I figure. Okay. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye so the camera can see you. Help me, Shayna.